Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a video collage using CapCut. So here, what you need to do first is click on the new projects and find the videos that you want to. So I'm going to just use a video from CapCut library. So I'm going to select 4, for example, here, this one. Okay, so after you select the videos, you can just click on collage at the bottom. Click on collage. After that, you need to set the format and ratio that you want. So I'm going to go with this format, and as for the ratio, I'm going to change it into 9:16. Here you can see the preview. After that, you can click on continue, and CapCut will lead you to the editing page. So in here, I'm going to adjust the durations of the video to be all the same. So what you need to do is just adjust it like this. You can do split and delete the rest of them, just like this. And after that, it will all have the same duration. So if you want to, you can also meet other editings like adding some filter effects or others, but that's it. So this is the result of the video collage. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.